Somewhere, bluebirds are flying high in the sky. In the cellar, even blackbirds are extinct. Somewhere, bluebirds are flying high in the sky. Even blackbirds are extinct. In the cellar, somewhere, bluebirds are flying in the cellar, high in the sky. Even blackbirds are extinct. Somewhere, bluebirds are flying in the cellar. Even blackbirds are extinct, high in the sky. Somewhere in the cellar, even blackbirds are extinct, high in the sky. Bluebirds are flying. Somewhere, even blackbirds are extinct. In the cellar, high in the sky, bluebirds are flying. John Cage. There are, it seemed to me, two sides to music as well as to everything else, including life. The side we can know something about, knowledge which is communicable, and the side which we can know nothing about, knowledge which is personal, emotional, uncommunicable. I prefer to communicate those things which are communicable rather than those which are not. Thus, the intellectual experiments of modern music can be communicated in words. This does not mean that modern music is intellectual. If that were true, there would be no necessity for music. The words would be enough. It does mean that any further word communication is not possible. To make my meaning clearer, when composing, I compose a matter of relationships, putting together, arranging, as well as I can intellectually. It seems to others that I just let the emotions, the uncommunicables, take care of themselves, communicate themselves. This is partly true and partly not. I believe that the way in which the composer's lives will, like the birth of protoplasm, miraculously and inevitably enter the composition.